I gave my heart without a shield, believed the ground was firm beneath my feet. I built a home with open hands, never thought love could hide from me. I trusted words, I trusted time, I trusted what we vowed to be. Now I sit with broken nights, asking God to sit with me. I didn't fall because I sinned, I fell because I believed. And faith can hurt when it's betrayed by what you couldn't see. But I'm still standing after the rain, though my eyes have learned to cry. Still breathing through the pain, still learning how to try. If love was lost, I didn't lose my soul, my name, my life. I'm still standing after the rain. The morning's coming by and by.
Some wounds don't bleed on skin, they bleed when no one knows. A quiet ache behind the smile, a place where courage goes.
I asked the truth with gentle hands. It came in pieces, not in full. And every silence took its toll on a heart that tried to roll.
I didn't ask for perfection, just honesty to stay. A true delay becomes a storm that washes peace away.
But I'm still standing after the rain, though my faith was tested hard. Still walking through the pain, still guarding every scar. If love was shaken, I remain a man who chose what's right. I'm still standing after the rain, and I won't lose the fight. God sees the tears I never show, the prayers I couldn't say. He counts the nights I held it in, so my children be okay. And if my heart feels tired now, He whispers, rest my son. What broke you didn't bury you, it only made you run. I'm still standing after the rain, with a softer kind of strength. Not bitter, not ashamed, just wiser in my day. If love must heal, love must end, I'll walk in truth and light. I'm still standing after the rain, and I